Hey, what is going on, guys? So today what I want to do is I'm going to show you guys my seven favorite spinners out of thousands of other spinners. So the first thing I want to do is 90% of all my spinners are up here on this desk right here. So first thing I want to do is I want to quickly just give you guys a quick glance of all the spinners I have. Then we'll get down to the real business, exactly which of these seven is my best spinners. All right, so you guys ready for this? I also have one more container, and I'll show you guys that one at last. But let me go ahead and just go over each container here really briefly, okay? You can see I got a skateboard spinner here. This one actually like rolls as well. I got this rainbow one with Zodiac. I got these glow-in-the-dark, like some kind of nunchuck. These are fidget things. But anyways, we have a wheel spinner here. This one is awesome. We have some bullet spinners here. We have, what's this, Iron Man here. And, okay, so you see this one here. We got the gear spinner here, and I'm gonna move over here. And wow, look how beautiful these look here. We got little fish here. We have my little owl. Here's a double spinner here. I didn't include any double spinners as one of my 7 favorites because these are just, you know, I mean, you can spin the top one, you can spin the bottom one, but the thing is with these, they come loose and stuff like that. They're not really fun to play with. But I do have a lot of those double fidget spinners, but I personally don't recommend them. You can see all the pretty flower ones I got there. And let me move on over here. See all these. We got Spider-Man here. We got the little sheriff thing here. We got more skateboards in here. We got the Hulk. Superman, and oh yeah, we got my egg spinner here too. We have some more spinners here, Spider-Man. We have the golden raindrops here. Some Captain America spinners here. We got these Ferris wheel ones that spin like that. And we'll move over here. We got this PlayStation one here. It's like this is like rubber here. This one's still pretty cool. I have a lot of LED spinners in here as well. But for me, I don't care for the LED spinners. Let's see here. So I got Hulk here, another Captain America. More skateboard spinners. Got some skulls here, some rainbow skulls. Got the blue fat chubster. Oh, Darth Vader. More skulls here. And let me move on over here. Got the Eiffel Tower spinner here. It's more of a novelty thing. It's not really fun to spin this one, at least. You guys smoked cigarettes. This is a spinner. You can also pop this thing up and light your cigarettes. Just like that, and bam! Got more skulls here. Got a lot of these gear spinners. There's another Spider-Man one. Moving up here, I got some more rainbows in here. I got these super cool knife spinners too. These are by Noble Spin. Kind of pricey for those. Here's that asymmetrical spinner here. Just like foot spinner here. And we got a lot more double spinners here. Superman double spinners. We got Transformers. A bunch of other different ones here. Moving on over here, really. Here's a compass one. Also has a clock. Oh, shoot! I just dropped something. Oh, man. It's all right. It's okay. I'll clean that up, guys. Let's see here. You got a lot of other spinners in here as well. We got this cube here. Spins like that. Cube spinner. Got a lot of Bluetooth spinners in here as well. Here's my UFO. And you guys can put these video on pause if there's a particular one that you want to look at. I don't want to spend too much time doing this because I want to get down to the real business. Show you guys what my 7 best fidget spinners that I have. Here's a bunch of rainbow ones. And here's one. Here's some cool ones here. These ones are like soccer balls, or this is like an oriental ball, but these like, you can grab any of these corners and they still like spin. Oh wow, look, here's another foot one. Here's one by Steampunk here. This is actually a pretty cool spinner, but it didn't make it on one of my best spinner list. Got some gear spinners here, some camouflage spinners. And yeah, sorry guys, I just dropped a lot of them. This is the container I just dropped. Look at this little small one here. It's such a cute little spinner here. You got like little baby hands. And here's another container I had on the floor. I didn't have room for it on the table, but I got a lot of these fidget phone spinners. These are real phones, guys. They're just not smartphones. Fidget spinner phone here. Here, I got these awesome, cool spin cubes. You can take these apart as well. I got my little tank spinner here. You can, something like that. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to show you guys my 7 best fidget spinners. Can you guys guess which ones they are? You guys probably going to have at least one of them right. But let's go ahead and get to the real business. All right, so my 7 best spinners were actually in this box right here, guys. And here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so here we go. Here is the 7, and let's start going over each of these really quickly, and I'll show you what all of these can do. First one here is my tire spinner. Now this one is pretty cool because you can, of course, you can spin this with one hand. You can play around with this. Also, you can do a lot of cool tricks. Give it like a nice rip like that because this is actually rubber on here, like a real rubber tire. Super clean, well-balanced spin. Next one is my Madamico revolver. This one here actually has like bullets, like fake bullets. And this is actually quite heavy too. And you do get like a nice spin time on this, probably between 5 to 8 minutes. And these actually can come out and you can interchange these bullets. You can put them in backwards, or you can put them in this way. You can even go ahead and take some out, and then if you make it even, they're still going to spin. So they're even right here. So even if I have it just like this, it's still going to spin as well. Oops. Let me do that again. There we go. Now we got this one here, my spin cube. Now I like these ones because you can spin these if you hold it like on the corners here like that. But also what you can do too is, and these are all metal too, guys. You can actually pull this out, and this part right here will kind of spin if you want to kill some time or think about what YouTube video you want to do next. And they're held on by magnets. You can see the bearing in there. I can just slide this bad boy in there like that. Pop this other one in there, and bam, I'm ready to rock and roll. Now the next one here is the iSpin X. Now this is no ordinary spinner here, guys. This one actually glows in the dark. These little balls here. Also, you get like a little click if you want to fidget with these. Let me bring this up to the mic here, but so these spin. Also, what you can do with this too is check this out. You can, there's bearings on these 2 little arms here as well, so you can spin it like this if you get bored doing and spinning it the regular way. And another cool thing is too, you can actually unscrew these arms and you can make it a dual spinner, tri-spinner. As long as they're even. If it's not even, it's going to be super wobbly. But you can do it like this as well. Give this one a little spin here. Let's move on to the next one here. I call this one the tank. This one is super heavy. Gear spinner here. You move one gear, they all move. This one's really fun to fidget with, but it is kind of heavy. But still, this is like super solid. Like, again, I call this bad boy the tank. The next one here is by Noble Spin, guys. And what is this one? Not only is this a cool little spinner, but this is a spinner knife. That's right. Pop this down, like unlock it, and bam. The only thing with this one here, it is super sharp. I cut myself several times on this, just being an idiot. But anyways, yeah, so it's a spinner and a knife. Now these are actually expensive too. Again, this is by Noble Spin. They have some, these ones are like $90 a piece, but they have cheaper ones that are like $40 a piece, I think. Anyways, this one here is one of my favorite, it is my favorite knife spinner. I have several colors though, but this is kind of like a metallic pink here. I have a gray one as well. And last but not least, guys, is my Spiderman Spinner. This one is super cool. You get about 4 minutes spin time on this. I just like the way this one like feels. in your hand. Let me get us a little spin on my finger here. Now, what else you can do with this one too is you have all these like little webs or arms. Each one of these can actually come out too. You can unscrew these. Let's pull that one out and let's do one more. Let's make it even. You can actually pull all these out and you can take these rings off as well. But we'll just leave it like this. Give this one a little spin here. Like that. All right, let me go ahead and give these one more spin before I end the video here. And I can't spin this unless I take this apart here. So let me just pull this one apart here. And let's go ahead and give all these a little nice little spin here. Ooh, don't forget the iSpin X and this one, this bad boy here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it down here, see what happens. Ready? Get in there. Oh yeah, whoa. There you guys go. Again, these are my 7 best spinners that I have. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody.